President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration is under growing pressure after revelations that a $1 billion cement and mining project in Magunje was approved without following proper legal and environmental procedures. Salamina mashoko buda pangwa inozvinzi Mnangagwa's $1 billion blunder. Chief citizens demands answers. Notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna mnamobrani kwamchis the scandal has triggered outrage from traditional leaders, villagers, and civil society who accuse the government of trampling on citizens' rights in pursuit of investment. The backlash comes after Tafadzwa Muguti, a permanent secretary in the office of the president and the cabinet responsible for devolution, publicly rebuked the Environment Management Agency of issuing an Environmental Impact Assessment EIA certificate to a cement company, despite the fact that it does not have verified legal claim to the land. He also revealed that Lebanon Investment had not obtained licensing from the Zimbabwe Investment and Development Agenda ZIDA, nor yet it engaged the local rural district council. Even more alarming, the investor's fiscal address remains unknown in what appears to be a desperate attempt to contain the fallout. Muguti said the decision on whether the project proceeds would now rest with the provincial leadership, but only if the project complies with all legal framework. In quotes, I told Minister Chombo and the provincial chairperson of the province once the project, it must be done properly. Let's reach consensus, but if there is crime involved, we arrest, because that's what the office of the president and cabinet does under its mandate, he said. Development is our national agenda, but it must be lawful and transparent. The Center of Natural Resource Government, CNRG, added fuel to the fire last month by calling for an immediate suspension of the project. The watchdog reported cases of forced displacement, desecration of ancestral graves, and intimidation of local villagers and activists. While government officials had touted the project as a game-changing investment set to create 5,000 jobs, communities on the ground say it has brought only fear, division, and disregard for the rule of law. With the chiefs and citizens demanding answers and civil society turning up the heat, the Mnangagwa regime is now caught in the storm of its own making, one that could cost far more than just a cement plant. Tudze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro penhau iyi aiwa rikutsviridza panguva ino uchinokonzi Mnangagwa regime panguva ino aiwa yopinda one after citizens panguva ino vachidhimanda maanswers. Nakomesa section medu mudze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.